Hey guys, welcome to another David Zamalera. You want to see me fall? I just was trying to test out my Segway right over here, and for the first time, you know, like hopping on and stuff, man, I just fell. And look at this, guys. Look at the damage. So let me just make this a short little video and just show you how I fell, man. It's so funny. Alright guys, time for me to step on. It is turning. Собака. Guys, this is the Segway that I got. It's pretty cool. It's off-road and everything. It's got a Bluetooth speaker, light indicators and whatnot. It's pretty nice, but I need to learn how to ride it, so I will be trying to learn. This video was completely unplanned, but I was just trying to like test it out and ride it today, and boom, I just like fell and stuff. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please hit that like if you like to see me fall, and stay tuned for more videos. I make daily videos, usually about sprinters and expediting and just my life in general. So thank you so much guys. Bye.